Okay, go for it.
I can record.
No, it's okay. Why, are you scared?
He doesn't want to end up stripping it or breaking it.
Exactly. I don't know what
You
I'm
gotta
doing
press
here.
the button in. Oh, wow.
You know what? You do it. I don't know what the
Okay.
hell I'm doing.
I'll do it.
I don't feel comfortable doing it on someone's car. It's not mine.
It's about to go down.
I got a longer extension in my trunk.
In your truck?
Breaks the steering Does it work?
It's not reading anything. Let me go grab the instructions.
That shit's on there, bro. What the fuck? Hey, do you think maybe it's because the steering wheel's locked?
No.
Luckily you didn't go all the way inside. Be like, have you seen the instructions?
The steering wheel's full of grossness. The steering wheel's probably gonna be on here crooked. Oh well.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
The rubber mallet, you can mat it on there.
No, as in like, I don't know which way the steering wheel's gonna be
Oh,
on there.
that would have been.
I'll just sort of put it on there.
You need torque wrench or got a torque wrench?
Yeah.
You got a little itty bitty one that does.
I need to find the
Inches.
Allen keys.
I got Allen keys. You need Allen keys.
I think that's what it's doing, huh, Michael?
It's supposed to suck in air.
Because he put it in his mouth and it was sucking the air, right?
It was.
It's
The
vacuum
hose was
pressure.
Sucking the air instead of blowing out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
When
it's supposed to blow out.
When you build pressure,
Wrong or?
that's right. That's how it's supposed to be.
It's like, I'm confused.
What's the top one do? When you had it on the first.
It doesn't do anything. Oh, the top one on there? I don't know.
Yeah, because you had it attached to the top piece. Maybe that's what you're supposed to have.
Well, Michael has it on the bottom one, right, Michael?
Mm-hmm.
And it worked?
Either one, it doesn't matter.
Oh, I'm
Top
just
or
asking.
bottom.
Fuck.
But they're the same hose, is what I'm saying. It doesn't matter.
They sold you a Berkeley and get a refund.
I'm here. It's
Is the
okay.
Allen key up there?
Don't drop the phone. Here, do you want these ones?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Damn it.
How many beats does it take to unlock the hatch?
It's too late, Junior.
You got it already?
Yeah, it's fine.
Bitch, open.
Why does it not want to open?
Are you recording? Yeah? Okay, we'll get it eventually, guys.
Let me know when you want me to just stop.
Okay, guys, I finally got it, fools. We're just tightening this shit down right now, and it should be good. But yeah, this is what it looks like right here. Got these freaking, you know, death steering wheel because I'm cheap. Went on eBay, picked this up for like $30, fool. But it's okay, they're alright. I was in a car accident with an eBay one just like this, and she didn't break. Yeah. I even put it on another car right after that, and it fucking worked just fine. So, you know, if you're not going too crazy like them kids in the Hondas where they're like, what the bap, then you'll be fine.
I'm just gonna go to Harbor Freight and get a digital one. I mean, a mechanical one
Okay.
You fix
tomorrow.
Yeah. What do you about those things?
It looks fucking badass, man.
Yeah, you just need to paint the whole car fucking crayon colors. Match the steering wheel.
Harley Quinn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Harley Quinn color. Okay, fools, that's it. You make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, fools.